Welcome to Greater Telecom, where businesses and organizations say goodbye to telecom DIY. DIY telecom service providers don't give you hands-on, personalized, prioritized, or white glove support. Instead, they force you to DIY, do it yourself, including learning how it works, setting it up, and customizing it for your needs. But DIY telecom is bad for your business, because you really don't have the time, skills, or desire to DIY your telecom. So you need a better approach to handling telecom for your business. In this video, I'll briefly answer the following 3 questions. What is DIY telecom? Why is DIY telecom bad for your business? And what's the best alternative to DIY telecom? With DIY telecom, you have to do everything yourself. You have to learn about it yourself. You have to set it up yourself. You have to implement it into your daily operations. You have to customize it yourself. You have to find add-ons for it, to compensate for a lack of features. You have to automate it. And you have to integrate it with your CRM or other productivity software. So the question is, why is DIY telecom bad for you and your business? It's bad because you don't have the time to do your telecom yourself, or you don't have the skills to do your telecom yourself, or you don't have the desire, or all of the above. So what's the best DIY alternative for you? You have 4 options. 1. You can pay your service provider more money for more support, but you'll have to upgrade to a much larger plan. Sign a long-term contract, and pay a lot of money, but still not get the full support you need. 2. You can ask your IT contractor to provide telecom support, but most IT contractors don't do telecom, because information technology and telecom are 2 very different types of technology. So you would be asking too much from your IT contractor. 3. You could make your employees responsible for your telecom, but that's a sure way to burn out your employees, because they will have to try to do your telecom with limited telecom knowledge, skills, and experience. Or 4. You could engage an independent telecom support expert. To get the best results and have the best outcomes, you should engage an independent telecom support expert. There are many advantages to engaging a telecom support expert. You can get hands-on technical support. You can get personalized technical support. You can get prioritized technical support, and other great advantages. There are also many benefits as well. Your business will be more efficient, your productivity will increase, and your business will make more money. Why is Greater Telecom the best DIY telecom alternative for you? We're the only telecom firm in the USA that gives you white glove support on all 8 telecom channels. We're the only telecom firm in the USA that gives you all 12 types of white glove telecom support. And we're the only telecom firm in the USA that gives you 24/7 365 hands-on, prioritized, and personalized telecom support. With Greater Telecom, you get hands-on support on all 8 telecom channels, including phone, SMS, chat, DM, video, voice, push, and email. With Greater Telecom, you get all 12 types of telecom support, including software, provisioning, implementation, customization, add-ons, automation, integration, enablement, troubleshooting, administration, AI, artificial intelligence, and innovation. To get white glove telecom support for your business today, visit us online today at www.greatertelecom.com.